The best way to get noticed by recruiters on LinkedIn is by telling LinkedIn that you're open to work and available to get hired. In this video, I will take you through step-by-step process on how to set up your open to work profile within LinkedIn. Now, before going into the step-by-step process on how to set up your open to work profile in LinkedIn, let's first understand and quickly talk about as to why setting up open to work profile in LinkedIn is so important and helpful in getting noticed by the recruiters. The short answer is that setting up your LinkedIn open to work profile helps LinkedIn rank you up in recruiters' search results when they are searching for a particular candidate. And even more so if the recruiter is using the LinkedIn Recruitment feature, which is a paid feature which provides a special interface to recruiters in order to search for relevant candidates. Now, most of the filtering features that the recruiters use in the recruiting feature of the LinkedIn are derived from the selections that you make in open to work profile of LinkedIn. So whatever you tell LinkedIn in your open to work profile, that is what LinkedIn reads and then shows to the recruiter in their search filters. So for instance, if a recruiter is filtering for someone to be hired in New York, and even though you are currently not present in New York, however, in your open to work profile, if you mention that you are open to work in New York, then when they are searching for the candidates with profile and skills as yourself, and they're selecting New York City as the place where they want to hire that individual, then you will also show up in their search because you have selected New York as your desired location, even though today, currently, you are not present in New York. Hence, essentially, this enables you to tell LinkedIn what is that you're looking for in future with regards to your career and job as against what you're doing today. Same goes with the kind of role that you're looking for. So you can mark and tell LinkedIn through open to work profile setup that what kinds of role that you are looking for, what are the titles that you're looking for as against what is your current title. So hence with this tool, what you're doing is that you're telling LinkedIn as to what is your next desired career move. So much so that you can even choose the title that you want to get hired for, just like the location. You can even tell LinkedIn what level or what title you want to be hired for. So when the recruiters are searching for a particular title, you will start appearing in their search results, even if you don't possess that title today. However, you expect to get a level up or a step up, and your desired level is a particular title that you want to achieve eventually with your next career move. And hence, when the recruiters are searching for that particular title, you will show up in their search results. Now, before moving into the step-by-step process on how to set up open to work profile within LinkedIn, in case you find value in this video, please don't shy away from pressing the like button and also subscribing to the channel. Every week on this channel, I post a video on career and personal finance advice for young and mid-level career professionals. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the tutorial. Here, first tap on your profile. Here, click on view profile. Here, click open to, then click finding a new job because it says show recruiters and others that you're open to work. Here we'll start by first listing what kind of work you're looking for. So the job titles you want to get hired for. So we'll add a title here. For myself, I'll add Vice President of Finance, Senior Vice President Finance, Chief Financial Officer, Senior Director, Vice President, Head of Finance, and I've reached my maximum limit. So I can only have 5 titles here, which I've listed, and I think they cover the kind of ambition I have. Then with regards to workplaces, my preference is on-site and hybrid. I don't want the remote. I prefer on-site and hybrid. So that's good. In terms of location, I will select USA because I'm open to moving anywhere in the United States. So I select USA here. Then comes start date. I am immediately open to work. So I'm not casually browsing, rather I am actively looking. So I select that. And then job types, I want a full-time job. Now once this is done, then we come here, choose who sees your open, because you don't want your people in your organization, your manager or team finding out on LinkedIn that you're looking for jobs. So here you have an option whether to let all LinkedIn members know that you're looking for a job. If so, you will get this mark of open to work along with your profile picture. This is something that I don't want for myself because I don't want my team members to know that I'm looking for a job. So I'll select recruiters only. This way, only those people who are recruiters and who have signed up for recruitment feature in LinkedIn and they're paying for that feature, they can see my profile. Then we click add to profile. And now open to work is added to my profile. Here, if we see open to work, and I have the titles here, I can click here and see the details. And these are the details that I have selected for my open to work. Again, in the end, see it shows only available and viewable to recruiters. You can edit this preference anytime by clicking the edit button. And here you can go and make the changes as you require. And even if there is a point in time where you feel you don't need this feature anymore and you want to remove this profile altogether from your LinkedIn, you can click here on delete from profile. If not, you can just click save. Hopefully this was helpful for you now to be able to tell LinkedIn that you are open to work and what kind of work you're looking for. So recruiters, when they put in their search, they can find you in their search results. Thank you.